ICC Assistant to Counsel Cristina Conti says the public may not be informed regarding the issuance of warrants. Recall that at least 5 people, including Senator Bato de la Rosa, have been named as suspects of Jaguar killings. Conti doubts that the Senate can continue protecting de la Rosa should a warrant has been issued. Likewise, former President Rodrigo Duterte, if implicated, should not be able to evade arrest just because of age.
It depends on the authority. Okay, lalo na kung ang warrant of arrest na hawak ay malinaw at para sa isang international tribunal, I doubt that the Senate can continue to protect. This issue might reach the Supreme Court kasi ihaharap sa Supreme Court. And it would be interesting how the Supreme Court will rule. I would say, baka ang ano nila ay, yes, you can enforce the warrant.
Oy, kasi nung sa isang interview din ni political analyst Richard Hedarian, kinausap niya si retired Associate Justice Carpio. At sinabi nga daw na pwede, baka daw magkaroon na ng arrest by September. So,
kahit sabi ni ni former Senator Trillanes, yan din ang timeline nila halos.
Tingnan natin kasi yun nga, 'di ba? Nagkaroon nga ng privilege speech recently si Senator Bato de la Rosa, and actually urging the Senate to stand by him at alamin daw makialam dito sa issue na ito.
Ang Senate can only stand by him pag nasa in session. Pag wala sa session or sa loob ng Senate building, wala na ang jurisdiction ng Senate na yon. Remember that happened to Senator Laila de Lima also.
No, but what he was trying to tell them at that privilege speech is yung makialam tayo. Tingnan natin, 'di ba? Dapat bang payagan ng ICC?
But I was affirming lang what Senate President Chis Escudero said. We can protect him as long as we are in session. Malinaw na yun. So pag hindi in session, wala na silang magagawa because the stance of the government is not to assist but not to hinder as well. So the Senate will not hinder any warrants of arrest that need to be served, nor will they assist also.
Doon sa sinasabi niya during the privilege speech, sinasabi nga niya sa Senate, makailam tayo na parang bakit ba kailangan pumunta ng ICC dito? Yun yung sinasabi niya.
Because we're a democratic country where everyone is allowed to come in and out as long as you're not doing illegal business. Ngayon, for the ICC to come here and conduct interviews, I don't think that is illegal business because hindi ka man ina-assist ng government. Hindi, di ba?
Walang assistance sa mangyayari. Pero yun nga, ang ni-reiterate din ng DOJ ay tayo ay still member ng Interpol.
Yeah.
Di ba?
And if the Interpol has a red flag on you, then maybe we have to dialogue with the Interpol if we are to act on it.
And then recently, pinalabas din natin dito yan na nag-guest si former President Rodrigo Duterte sa YouTube channel o YouTube program ng kanyang anak at talagang minura niya ang ICC na naman. That is not something new at binadsay niya pa. Talagang di nila nire-recognize.